You won't believe what I found clogging this dishwasher. So I'm gonna remove this drain pump motor here, because usually that's where things get stuck. I removed the 2 screws and take the motor out. After a quick check, I see nothing here, but let's make sure the motor itself actually works. I'm plugging the dishwasher back in and turning it on. The motor seems to be fine. Now when I go to the drain hose and see this, whoever installed this dishwasher squeezed the drain hose through a tiny hole in the cabinet, causing the line to pinch. No wonder the dishwasher wouldn't drain. Time for a new drain hose.